Mentagasngi kashitarik uyayong arajar apanrio ka sorkar Meghalaya ka iasoi ka soskular yasutu jimud bad ka Starlink India lingba ka video conference ha ka ba menteri rangba ka jala ukonrad ke sangma ulaya sakhilang ya kani ka jingete kular bad kani ka de ka we ni kilar ban kantiu ya ka kamai ka ji ha ka jala ban ko cha ka shipo billion ha ka pisa ya pen ka US dollar shwa usnam arajar apupra namar ka jing pendan kam ya ka internet ka di ka we nakilar ban kiyo ha kayo kakon. Habaya soy kani ka soskular menteri ketenat puli puthi uba lakamen remboy ulay don lang kumju additional chief secretary ka sorkar jala usampat kumar lembat kiwe ki he sorkar karbana kalyang jang ka Starlink la don ujoin Shotwell president but CEO SpaceX Lauren Dreyer ha kajinga don lang vice president ubade ka Starlink ubapet ya kam khai pateng upra bahakar Jaya Kumar ubapet ya kam ha India nakabenta ka Starlink but ya don lang uparnil Odwar Rishi ubade director ha India. Menteri rang baul ong baha kini ki pras nem jang ka sarkar ki lap leching mut kumno ban wan rai ka jingtai ki jingi kai bat ban pendon kami ki kor ki bor kat kum kani ka juk ka bamenta ba ki ba khampoi shajan hau pat ba ul ong ki jing e ka ba ya kendu ka long ba kumno ban penpoi ya ka jing pendon kam ya ka internet shadu ki kendong kinchrat bat kum ba ka long menta la penpur ki optical fiber panpoi ki jaka sumar shakinong kendong ki school ki shnong ki thau bat ban le ya ka ka shimpor shibun menteri rangba ungit scam ba da ka ba aila de ka Starlink kan wan ra shibun ki jingkala ban yo e ka jing sumar ba khambyang kanyara ba ki khna kin yo ka jingi kai ka ba byang kanyara ban kan tiu ya ka yo ka kon bar kani kan penmen to shadu ki nong rap hadu ki nong kendong ha ka ju ka por menteri rangba ka jala ula ong ba ka sarkar ka da ang nu chi shaban pen khlanya ka information technology ha ka jala namar ka sarkar ka kwaban penlong ya ka search long kum ka pedeng jong ka information technology na kabenta ka than chate lam mi ngi kari India baroh ka we ka don ru ya ka jingthmu ban bu ya ka chaka sa internet da ka bar pinchang ban pinyaso bat ka submarine cable bat ka ni ka long ha ka jingkiu ba ya day bat ka jing start how menteri rang baul ong ba uyo i ba don ka ni ka lat ka ni ka jinga tre lang kan kanti ki bopon ki benta.
So we just signed an MOU with Starlink. And the objective is to use the Starlink technology, which is a satellite-based internet services, to give connectivity to the remotest areas of our state. And as you are all aware that there are many areas, many blocks, many hospitals, schools, police stations, and other institutions and individuals that require connectivity, and sometimes it's not available. So through the SpaceX and the Starlink technology, without any optical fibers also, they will get directly connected through the satellite and they will receive high-speed internet services. Now this is a process, of course. It's just the beginning. It will take some time for it to fructify. Though we have signed an MOU, Government of India has a very important role to play. And obviously when the discussions and negotiations at the central level are complete, then Meghalaya is there to be at the front end to at least implement this in the northeast region as one of the first few states to do it. And therefore, this is a great beginning, and I am very confident that this particular project will help us in almost every sector, whether it is health, education, social sectors, or even administration, and even for our entrepreneurs and even for policing. So it's a great step, and we really look forward to it. And I would like to thank the President and COO, Ms. Gwyn, who had joined us online. She is the President and COO of SpaceX, and the Vice President of SpaceX, Ms. Lauren, as well as the Starlink India head, and others were there. So we're very happy with this MOU, and we hope that we'll be able to implement this at the earliest. It's a internet connectivity based on satellite. So obviously the areas which don't have connectivity, this will allow us to have connectivity to those remote locations where optical fibers or towers of different telecom companies are not there. This will particularly help in ensuring that the connectivity reaches to those people. Thank you.